far. How could I deal with this feeling? Shorty, it's so hard. So listen, I'm speaking to my distant lover. Word to mother, we can move undercover, and you'll discover there's nothing like it, none other. Through the rain pours and the thunder, through the long nights alone to the hot days of summer, I'll be there by your side, so don't wonder, baby, what is it? I seen you in the corner of my eye, light skin, long hair, short dress, thick thighs. You wanna come and kick it with a stand-up guy, cause time is the essence, so don't let it fly by. Me and you hold together, so let's roll together. When you could look shorty, and I know you better. Don't mind the haters on the side, cause they don't know no better. So baby, do you, cause you a go-getter. You just like Bonnie and Clyde, it's what they call us, go together. Perfect and smooth, just like liquor to alcoholics. Got our own space to roam. Baby, the touch of folly got your boy swagger on point, which means I'm feeling brolic, but we got it set in stone. I love forever solid, whatever you need, baby girl, you know your man, you got it. And if I don't have it, then you know your boy will cop it. And let the good times roll, see girl, now stop it. If it's meant to be, heaven sent to me, destiny. This girl got the best of me, the rest of me I kept no choice to keep pushing. Heart feeling like 1,000 needles jammed in a cushion. But I realized what I did in the past didn't pay you any attention. I was living so fast, so worried about my image and what I got in the stash. Loved it, live here, but now it's tossed in the trash. See as time go by, day by day, you by my side, stay my way, I ain't gonna lie. Keep you draped, stay so fly, together forever. Baby girl, you and I, to the end of time. Sounding like a story tale read straight from a book. No words described, the features just amazed from your look. Love tastes best like wine, a lot of time that it took. Made way with your heart like a runaway. After the first night, it had an open mouthpiece game, had her soaking wet, and I love it. And she needed hunger for lust, trust that I feed it. Normally after the sessions I leave it. Said she had the itch to be scratched, I relieve it. Said she wanna be my only one, do I believe it? Said she need a boss in the life, girl I bleed it. Love is what I'm missing in my life, but do I need it? We done been through it all, seen our downs and ups. Having no people route, spurging the town with bucks. From living grimy in the streets to 22s on the truck. From having no weeks in the fridge to daily outings to lunch. I wonder, could this be the fee for me? Taking penitentiary chances, stuffing keys for me? What is it? I mean, what it do? Got my mind tripping, is this what love do? Your body figure, looking so exquisite, let me come into your world, I just wanna visit. You could be my girl, life fast, so don't miss it. The two real words are similar, so don't twist it.